Good morning to all teachers and students. My name is Yaswanth Reddy. I am studying 8th class in ZPHS High School, Pusalpadu, Bestavaripeta Mandalam, Prakasham district. Today I wanted to show my innovation project, river cleaning boat. This river cleaning boat can collect the all types of debris on the water and with the help of the cloth and dispose them in the tray. See that the types of some types of plastic wastages on the water. This machine can collect the wastages on the water and dispose them in the tray. You wanted to see the demo of this project. I can see this demo of this project. We wanted to connect a battery to the river cleaning boat. This machine can work easily, and this machine is low costly and work easily. First I am putting this river cleaning boat project on the water. Now I am taking nearer to the some types of plastic wastages to the river cleaning boat and taking to the contact with them. Now I am fixing the battery source to the river cleaning boat. This machine is running. This machine is running and collecting the types of plastic cards. See that the plastic card is collecting by the river cleaning boat. Two plastic cards are entering to the water and a plastic card are collected by. In this way we can clean the all types of debris, plastics and all types of plastic wastages floating on the water. This machine will help to water animals and water sunlights. In the Zoom meeting session, a madam asked me as how can your river cleaning boat clean the Gurrapu Dekka plant. I am fixed a motor with a blade. This machine will connect to the battery source. This machine will run and the types of wired plants will be cutted. See this, some types of plants are came to the contact with them, they can be easily cutted. In this project, this is a useful sources and some types of features in the project. In this way we can know that the project is useful to us. Nowadays, the world is facing the biggest problem, that is garbage floating on the water. This machine has more scope to clean the garbage on the water and useful to underwater. See this paper, it is not able to cut and it can't sink on the water. It can be float. See this. This is can't sinking. The card is not sinking, it is floating on the water. This machine can collect these types of plastic cards and other types of thermocol sheet. See this, cards are arranged with a path pattern. The oxygen and sunlight not go to under the water, and the animals can't get the sunlight and the water, they can be dead. And the plastic also dissolve in the water, and some types of animals and humans drink the water and they can be affected to the virus.
Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to my guide teachers and
thank you for giving
judges
this
to watch
opportunity.
this video.